Hi, welcome back to Family Fun on Fridays with Sweet Circus. So these are short videos for you with things that you can try at home with your family, designed for people who are isolated in groups. Today we're going to play a number of variations on a game called Rock, Paper, Scissors. You know the game, right? Scissors beat paper. Paper beats rock. Rock beats scissors. Let's enlarge the game. For this version, you use your whole body. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Try a shoulder stand version. Paper, rock, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, jump! You can even try playing with a ball. Rock, paper, scissors. And that's rock, paper, scissors. There are plenty of other versions. I'm sure you can come up with loads. Send them to us. Let us see how you're getting on. So, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell. That gives you notifications when new stuff comes out. These family sessions are coming out every Friday. But for now, that's us gone. Bye! Of course, my favourite way to do this is in the air. Don't try this at home. Rock.